On an ordinary afternoon, Tom discovered something extraordinary in his father's workshop. A strange metallic capsule no bigger than a small car, covered in glowing runes and gears that hummed softly, as if dreaming. On its side, written in letters that pulsed like tiny suns, was a name, Molite MKI. Tom didn't know it yet, but this machine was about to tear open the earth and rewrite the limits of human imagination. That night, while the entire neighborhood slept, Tom was awakened by a low, resonating tremor. He peeked outside and saw a molite shimmering, its drill nose glowing white-hot. Then came a voice, gentle, mechanical, impossible. "Tom, do you want to see what lies beneath?" Heart pounding, he stepped inside. With a hiss of superheated steam, the mole machine activated. The ground cracked. The soil split. The world above vanished. They plunged into the unknown. At first the descent seemed simple: soil, stone, and ancient compressed sand. But past a few kilometers, the world became surreal. Minerals shimmered like galaxies trapped in stone. Fossilized forests whispered fragments of forgotten eras. Rivers of crystal flowed sideways, defying gravity, matter, and reason. The mole machine projected holograms of Earth's own memory. Volcanoes that once shook the world, oceans that no longer exist, creatures long gone yet glowing in spectral echoes. Tom realized the machine wasn't just digging, it was revealing. Suddenly, the mole machine halted. The earth trembled like a giant turning in its sleep. A tear, an actual glowing fracture, opened in the mantle. From one side of the planet, a tunnel was forming. Simultaneously, an identical opening bloomed on the opposite side of Earth. A perfect, impossible earth-piercing tunnel. The machine whispered, "Tom, this is no drill. This is a bridge through the planet's heart." They descended into regions no human eye had ever witnessed. Lava surged in titanic waves, glowing not red, but blue, white, and violet. Metallic storms erupted, shooting shards of molten iron like glowing rain. Magnetic fields twisted reality. Time stretched and curled like a ribbon caught in a cosmic storm. The mole machine shielded Tom with shimmering plasma barriers that folded space around them like a protective cocoon. The core was alive, and it wasn't silent. Tom heard deep, vibrating tones, almost like a heartbeat, almost like a song. It was as if Earth itself was speaking through its own molten blood. At the very center, the inner core, they encountered a phenomenon beyond human understanding. A sphere of liquid iron rotating so fast that time itself bent around it. Minutes became hours. Moments stretched like taffy. The past and future flickered in flashes of glowing images. Tom watched entire civilizations rise and crumble in streaks of light. He realized Earth wasn't just a planet. It was a memory vault, a living archive, and he was inside its heart. After what could have been an hour or a century, the machine surged upward. The mantle thinned. The crust weakened. With a thunderous blast of steam and light, they erupted onto a distant shore halfway across the planet. A bright horizon, children playing, waves whispering secrets, a world both familiar and brand new, filtered through the lens of a traveler who had witnessed the universe within the earth. Behind them, the exit hole glowed like the eye of a god. In front of them, an entirely new destiny. As Tom stood on the sand, his heart racing with the truth he had seen, the mole machine etched a new phrase onto its hull, Molite MKI, bridging worlds. Tom understood. This machine wasn't meant to escape the world. It was meant to teach humanity about the living being beneath their feet, the heart, the memories, the dangers, and the untold beauty. Tom vowed to protect it, share its truth, and guide others to explore with wisdom rather than destruction. Because once you've traveled through the Earth's core, nothing above it will ever look the same. Ready for your own odyssey? Visit smartchoicelinks.com now to discover smart choices and epic adventures.